Abhishek Sharma, Sanju Samson, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Shubman Gill, Sai Sudarshan. 5 players contending for 3 available spots in India's Asia Cup squad. Who's gonna make it and who's gonna be left out? Let's look at stats and analyze.
In the last game that India won, Abhishek Sharma and Sanju Samson were our designated openers. Abhishek Sharma also scored a century. He now has 2 T20I centuries, one in Zimbabwe, one against England. So, what are your thoughts? Who should be our openers? Should we continue with the same ones, or are we looking at somebody else right now?
I'll start with Sanju Samson first. When we look at Sanju Samson, he's not just a batsman opener for us, he's also a wicket keeping option for us, which opens up a spot in the middle order if he's playing in the as an opener. But we also have to mention that he has 3 T20I centuries now. So he's not that old Sanju Samson who used to get chance and then he would throw it away and then wait for it for a very long time. He has been performing well, so he has a good case going on for him as an opener for the squad. And Abhishek Sharma, as you say, he's in a phenomenal touch. He's just God's grace on him, man. He's just in a phenomenal run right now.
And I'm gonna be a bit harsh on Sanju Samson. मतलब obviously उसने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, बट मेरे हिसाब से एक स्टेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए इन ओपनिंग स्टैंड एज वेल, क्योंकि तू अभी इंडिया की स्टाइल देखेगा ना खेलने वाली, सब एक्सप्लोसिव है, ऐसा लगता है कि एसआरएच की टीम है ऑलमोस्ट. तो इट्स लाइक अ हिट एंड मिस. कभी हिट हो गया तो भाई कभी 300 बना देंगे, कभी नहीं हुआ तो मैच भी हार सकते हैं, और वो क्रूशल मैच हुआ तो फिर और प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. मेरे हिसाब से माई 2 ओपनर्स हु आई वांट देम टू प्ले in the 11 would be Sai Sudarshan and Abhishek Sharma. और अभिषेक शर्मा का मैं obviously शॉर्ट रखता हूँ. आई थिंक अपन तीनों का श्योर ही होगा वो, क्योंकि वो जिस तरीके से खेलता है, मतलब his strike rate is almost close to 200 career strike rate, and he's now number 1 T20 batter as well. तो मेरे हिसाब से वो तो फिक्स रहेगा मेरे लिए. दूसरा, if we talk about the current opening combination now, they have done well individually. Partnership wise, they have not done well. So I've calculated the stat where Abhishek Sharma and Sanju Samson has opened for India in 12 matches and they average only 22. So 22 runs में अपना on average एक wicket गिर जाता है, which is not great, I would say, after 12 matches. But the flip side to this is एक wicket गिरता है, but one of them actually goes on to score a big score. अब ये like it can be dangerous for us in crucial games sometimes. इसलिए मेरे को लगता है कि थोड़ा ओपनिंग में जो स्टेबिलिटी, और आई वाज इम्प्रेस्ड बाय टेक्निक एंड स्पेशली द स्ट्राइक रेट ऑफ साई सुदर्शन. मेरे हिसाब से इफ यू इंक्लूड साई सुदर्शन एंड अभिषेक शर्मा, you get sort of a full range of what you can do with the opening stand. So that would be my openers that I want to play in the playing 11. Backup I can keep either Sanju Samson or Shubman Gill.
Amazing. So Rajat, for you, it's Abhishek Sharma and Sanju Samson, and Saharsh, very interesting idea actually having Sai Sudarshan and Abhishek Sharma. That would be a mix of both classical batting, which is attacking, but at the same time full all-out attacking batting as well. I will also stick with Abhishek Sharma and Sanju Samson. As I said, what is not broken does not needs to be fixed. India has been performing extremely well in the T20 format, international T20 cricket. I think by far they are the best team in T20 world cricket right now. बहुत ही गौतम गंभीर को इसका क्रेडिट मिलना चाहिए. उन्होंने टीम फर्स्ट अप्रोच चुना है. No individual is bigger than the game, and he has literally given chances to the players who deserve it, and he stuck by them irrespective of how they have performed. Sanju Samson थोड़ा hot and cold blow करे हैं. He's gotten a century, gone for a duck next game, again gotten a century. But all in all, he scored 3 centuries. There is no way that he should be dropped. Also, he gives you a wicket-keeping option that gives him an edge. Yes, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Shubman Gill, Sai Sudarshan all have statistics behind them जो उनको पुश करता है इस टीम में आने के लिए. शुभमन गिल हमारे रेड बॉल के कैप्टन हैं और बहुत अच्छी इंग्लैंड सीरीज से वापस आ रहे हैं. यशस्वी जायसवाल इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में अपना ऑलरेडी मार्क बना चुके हैं. साई सुदर्शन बहुत ही अच्छा आईपीएल और डोमेस्टिक परफॉर्मेंस दे के आ रहे हैं. बट अभी मुझे लगता है हमारे पास जो है, वी शुड स्टिक विद दैट. अभिषेक शर्मा, संजू सैमसन, लेफ्ट राइट कॉम्बिनेशन. आवर बैकअप ओपनर could be somebody between Sai Sudarshan and Yashasvi Jaiswal. I would still go with Yashasvi Jaiswal. Maybe there is that Rajasthan Royals bias here, but I like him. He's more pleasing on the eye for me. I think he's more attacking. He can change the course of the game on his own. अनफॉर्चुनेटली शुभमन गिल मेरे लिए इस T20 की टीम में अभी जगह नहीं बनाते। उनका स्ट्राइक रेट अभी भी बहुत लोअर एंड में है। ही इज अ गुड बैट्समैन व्हेन ही इज प्लेइंग फॉर गुजरात टाइटंस अहमदाबाद के ग्राउंड में। वो बहुत ही नीश सिचुएशन है जहाँ पे वो उनके लिए बहुत थ्राइविंग सिचुएशन है। बट एशिया कप यूएई में होने वाला है। वी विल आई डोंट थिंक वी नीड प्लेयर्स लाइक शुभमन गिल इन द T20 टीम राइट नाउ। Maybe down the lane, he's a young guy right now, might have an opportunity later on. But yeah, I would stick with Sanju Samson, Abhishek Sharma, and my backup opener is Yashasvi Jaiswal.
I agree. Sanju Samson should be, in the 11. But if I look at the overall combination which I have in my mind, a finisher role right now is where the vacancy is. If you want to make any change, you should make it in the finishing role. Because I think Rinku Singh, has been given enough chances. I don't think he's been that impressive to be carried in T20 World Cup for 2026. तो मेरे हिसाब से जो मैं फिनिशिंग रोल देख रहा हूँ ना, वो मैं जितेश शर्मा को देख रहा हूँ। मे बी लाइक ट्राई हिम आउट इन एशिया कप, ट्राई हिम आउट इन सम बायलैटरल्स बिफोर, और वो कीपिंग ऑप्शन भी देता है। तो डेफिनेटली संजू सैमसन इज माय अदर कीपर। बट अगर जितेश शर्मा को भी इंक्लूड करना है और संजू को भी इंक्लूड करना है, तो मेरे हिसाब से वहां पे थोड़ा ट्रिकी हो जाता है।
For sure, Sanju Samson is a top order batsman. If you want to play
Yeah.
anybody below number three, then Jitesh Sharma definitely makes more sense. He's more of a finisher. I'm not sure. He did very well for RCB.
One thing that stuck to me with what Saharsh had actually said was Sai Sudarshan, who's actually an explosive T20 player with a phenomenal IPL game. He has made his place in the Test squad. However, he's unable to make his place in the T20I squad. मतलब आयरनी देख रहे हो तुम इंडियन टीम की राइट नाउ। आईपीएल के बेसिस
Yeah.
पे टेस्ट सिलेक्शन हो रहा है बट T20 सिलेक्शन तो हो ही नहीं रहा है।
That's our opinion on openers for Asia Cup and the T20 World Cup coming up. Let us know what is your combination and if you think we should make any changes in the opening pair.